cove back there off of Eustis Lake in Eustis, Florida. All we're doing is we're just going around and just taking this little tube and just working around, popping them down a little bit. And literally, we're not doing a lot of it. We're dragging it back, picking it up, kind of flips the line a little bit, and open the tail, and just throw it back in again. Throw it back in again. Let it get down. Let it lay there. Remember my saying, 3 to 5 seconds. Let that thing just lay there 3 to 5 seconds. And just pick it up and bring it back to the side. You know, you just kind of jerk it a little bit, and bring it back. Throw it back in. Here's another spot up here in this little cove back in here. Right there. Right there. That is under the highway. And that is awesome for holding fish. It's a back channel, back to the highway, the bridge-like area, and don't be scared. Do not be scared to throw up in there, because if it gets warm, guess what they're going to be looking for? They're going to be looking for shade. That's what's going on right now. It's sunny. It's 84 degrees here in February. In February, it's 84 degrees, and can't do this where I'm from right now because it's probably 24 degrees. So all you do is just pick it up, just go back to country. Get back up there, as best you can, and just work it back. Don't be in a hurry. Just work it back. Let it down, pop it a couple times, like that, and just bring it on back. Keep bringing it back. You do not have to bring this all the way in. You literally don't have to drill by working it back all the way. The more cast you get, the better off you're going to be. Pick it up again and just pop it up there. Keep popping back up around. But you don't know. They're spawning right now. They're spawning. They're coming out of the main part of the lake and they're coming back in these coves and they're spawning. Just take time, hit everything in here. As my assistants, my photographer will do, just show them a little bit of everything that's in here. Show them the brush and all this. Them fish spawn around here. They will get up under, and that's where they're going to have their babies at. So you want to work the whole thing over and just don't get in a hurry. Get back down here again. Work up closer. Okay. See that go up under there? That's what you got to do. Pop it a couple times like that. Pop it a couple times and let it come out. And you just keep doing it. Like I showed you on my videos, you just never know. Never know. So that's a little bit what we're doing. We're just casting around here. And I wanted to show you that. And just get into it on your time. Take your time when you're fishing. Work all of it down, nice and easy, nice and slow. And wait for that hit. Wait for that big girl. She's in here right now. And like I told you, subscribe to my channel. Like us and subscribe. And I'm going to have videos all the time, all the way through the week and every week from here on in. Thank you. May God love you. And I'll see y'all later.